Hi everyone, and welcome back to Thrifty Mama Scraps. Today I am going to show you what our challenge is for day number 5. Today we're going to use our washi tape, and that is our challenge. I made this layout with 2 different types of washi tape. This is actually a border sticker that's quite old from Creative Memories. The washi tapes I used were this one, which I think came from the Dollar Tree, and then this one, which is a washi tape by Carpe Diem, and I believe it's their Disney collection. And so I thought it went quite nicely. As you know, I like to scrap the back of my pages just because it makes my albums a little bit thinner and I can utilize both sides of the paper. So it's more economic for me to do my scrapbooking that way. So this is just the back of this one. And I always try to make sure it's like, if it's a vacation photo like these are, it's the same vacation. So I always try to make sure that whatever I scrapbook on the back page, that it goes along with the other side. So I know that it'll go in the same album. So, but that's what I did. This is just a cutout that I made. This is a sticker. I'm not sure where it's from. This is a border sticker. Just trying to use up some stuff from my stash, and I like how this layout turned out. It's pretty simple. It came together pretty quickly, so enjoy the challenge for day number 5, and I'll be back tomorrow with day number 6. Have a great day.